no ke bula le contender e nngwe butwana ka lebitso mang?
Ulindo mfethu Sabelo igama lami bengangisa ngalo.
Okay, my brother. Bengisacela unginike your definition of a real woman.
Beside my girlfriend.
Yeah, what is the definition of a real woman according to you?
Mfethu ngathi a real woman. For these days you can't find those one, but I can say a real woman is the woman that can give you a respect. Yeah, that is a real woman.
Okay, fair. Mjomaro wena mfethu ngisacela unginike ama red flag out 3 egelini.
Dakwa ungalala emakhaya ukwenza noma kanjani ukushishiliza ngayo futhi iyona into red flag entombazane.
Yeah, already aguzwa. Okay, my brother. We cry. Please tell me, what is your love language?
Siswati.
Okay.
English.
Okay.
And Afrikaans.
And what's the best amount to spend on the first date?
2,000 rand. Yeah, 2,000 rand.
Who's your celebrity crush?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Nasty C.
Alright, so one night out with Nasty C or 500,000, what are you choosing?
500,000.
500,000. You never give me. Alright, babe, only money that I want. Then let me go back to my brother, Jomi. My brother. So, if when you had an opportunity to pick one artist, no figures or two again, ungakhetha bani?
Obvious Amos yami. Shaya message kamjini. Message maqala.
Yo, Amos, you gotta see this mfethu. Brazo la mucho mhlanya ngawe mfethu. Please mfethu, do the right thing. Okay, so my brother ne uJoma ngapha ushayile ngeyakhe i-translation. Sacela wena ungishayile yakho. Mina ngizosho le phrase le ngesizulu, wena usho ngesilungu. Cela ungishayile lento ngesilungu ne. Uthi imvula inginethile.
The rain it's following me.
Awukhonahali shem.
Can say that.
Okay, A for effort, Zamile. A for effort, yeah, A for effort. So ngicela sivaleni, by Masivale, you'll give us the word of the day, he'll give us the word of the day.
For the word of the today, then I can say thanks, Brian. All the best.
Thank you, man. Yeah, support Lapon is really all the best, my brother.
Word of the day. Bangene ungabasabi abakho labo bantu.
Ay, uzwile Tsango. Hayi